After driving 6 years of this vehicle, if you see where that orange twisty thing is, there's 5 to 6 wires. They are green. That is the low can wire. There was a connection there that when I pulled the wire off, it just fell apart. The only item that I have replaced is this module right here for the tailgate. It has those 3 connectors there, 1, 2, 3. That is part of the low can system. And the issue was the water coming from here, but it actually went down the filler into here and had a pool of water. The best thing to do is if you see that drill bit right down, little hole down there, drill a drill bit in there and your worries will go away like. This here was causing all those amazing issues. Current. There was mainly 6 of these modules that were in that line to create those problems. 6 years. And finally, fixing those 6 wires took it all away.